Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna let the car warm up. Just did a cold start, as you guys can see right there on the temperature gauge, just to your left. It's right at the bottom, so I'm gonna let the car warm up right now. First time I've used the GoPro, and it's the first time I'm doing a POV with the GoPro, and a lot of people asked to do it on the Scatpack charger. I did it on my 5.0 Mustang, so this is my first time. I hope the audio and everything is good so you guys can hear. Seems pretty good. Let's head out now. So yeah, some people wanted to see like me daily driving the car and everything, so I wondered why not. And then yeah, I'll throw some pulls in there for you guys too, so you guys can see how the car runs and everything, because I just don't want it just to be normal driving the whole way. Unless you guys would like to see that. I mean, I do work, so I can just strap the GoPro on when I'm going to work or coming back from work. So if you guys want to see me daily driving, like daily driving videos and everything, POV, just comment down below, or you can DM me on Instagram. I have my Instagram down in the link below. You guys can follow me there if you guys want, and shoot me a DM or comment down below if you guys want to see more of the stuff. What is this guy? Look at this guy. Car does have 4-cylinder mode. So if I go to fuel economy, and you guys can see in the middle, it has like the green light on. It says 4-cylinder, and yeah, that basically turns the active exhaust on and quietens it. The exhaust up and everything, and puts the car in 4-cylinder mode, so it helps with gas mileage. So yeah, I think it'll be pretty cool to you guys can see me daily drive. I go on the highway and go merging through all the traffic and everything. That would be pretty cool for you guys to see the GoPro strapped on my head. And I honestly don't know like how the audio and the quality is going to be. It's GoPro Hero 7, so hopefully it's good. It's kind of chilly outside. So yeah, this is with the windows up, guys. It's pretty quiet, honestly. I have a muffler delete on the car right now, and everything else is stock. So there's the Scatpack 392 B5 Blue. So as I told you guys, just mid muffler delete, and then I got a K&N pop-in filter, and that's about it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, the POV style, comment down below if you guys want to see more of this type of stuff, because a lot of people were commenting on my videos and saying they wanted to see basically me daily driving it and stuff like that, POV style, because not a lot of people do that with these cars. So yeah, and then hopefully the audio and everything came out good. There's the back of the car. But yeah guys, that was the video. If you guys liked it, drop a like on the video, and as I said, comment down below what you guys want to see next. I'm probably going to be running a 10-speed Mustang 5.0 because a lot of you guys wanted to see that as well. Stock, this is basically a stock Charger Scatpack 392 versus a stock 2018s to the 2020s 10-speed 5.0s. It's going to be a good matchup for you guys to see and everything. And yeah, hopefully I'm probably going to be doing a POV style too, because that would look dope. And yeah, and then probably going to run a Camaro as well.